What up, guys? Squirrel OG here. Hope you're all doing great. I hope you didn't panic sell in the recent FUD from the YouTubers screaming for we're going to 39k, 35k. Bitcoin always has 30% retracements. I'm telling you, there's bigger narratives at play right now than what the YouTubers are saying, okay? Now let's just quickly jump straight into the Bitcoin chart. So on the daily candles right here, we've had this triangle over 60 days and we broke above it. We had a daily close, a breaking upwards, and now we're on to the new daily candle. It's going up. So as long as we're above 42,500, Bitcoin remains bullish. Okay, we're currently at 43,000. So even if we drop another 500, we're still bullish. Now, besides what the chart says, the chart does look bullish. But besides what the chart says, the real bullish factors in play right now are the ETF and the Bitcoin halving, and they're coinciding in early 2024. Now, people are somewhat scared because they say, oh, well, Bitcoin and crypto, they're often sell the news events, buy the rumor, sell the news, right? But this is different because what the ETF is, it's allowing approval for the largest investment firms on the planet to buy Bitcoin. You know, BlackRock, it's worth what, $10 trillion? They're getting the approval to buy Bitcoin and for their clients to buy Bitcoin through them. All these firms are. So what's going to happen when the ETF is approved? These firms are going to be buying Bitcoin. Their clients are going to be buying Bitcoin. What happens when people buy Bitcoin? The price of Bitcoin goes up. And it's coinciding with the biggest Bitcoin event there is, the Bitcoin halving, which happens April 2024. Now, the Bitcoin halving, what it means is it costs twice as much power for the miners to mine Bitcoin. And currently, on average today, there's 900 Bitcoin mined per day. So after the Bitcoin halving, there'll be 450 on average mined per day. And that means the miners bring less selling pressure of Bitcoin into the market. So when there's less selling pressure, there's more buying pressure, which also drives up the price. That's why the Bitcoin halving every 4 years drives up the price of Bitcoin crazy. I mean, this is not going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news event. Yes, the price has been going up leading up to it, but that's because this is absolutely huge. Yes, it's still not confirmed the ETF is going to get approved, but BlackRock have filed for like 500 ETFs and 499 have been approved. It's something like that. They've only ever been denied once. Now, that tells me that there's like a 99.8% chance it's going to get approved. It will get approved. I'm telling you guys, it's going to go absolutely crazy. 2024 and 2025 are both going to be extremely bullish for Bitcoin and crypto. Yes, there'll be some dips and retracements, but the overall trend, it's just going to keep going up and up and up. What's happened so far in 2023, we saw Bitcoin go from 15,500 all the way to 44,000 so far. That's an anthill bull market for what's to come. It's literally a bull of ants so far. We're talking like $250,000 Bitcoin is coming. And what that means for alts is they are going to absolutely skyrocket. You know, these 100x's are going to be happening all over the shop. So I do want to just quickly jump into the Bitcoin dominance chart and show you what I think about that. So Bitcoin dominance, this is the weekly candle and it's 7 years, okay? So when the dominance was 95% for Bitcoin in the entire market, we had massive altcoin rallies. So when BTC dominance goes down, that's when altcoin rallies go up. And now 2023 has been in an uptrend for the Bitcoin dominance, okay? And I've drawn this green line as support, and we haven't broke below it this entire year. We did just test it again, and of course, BTC shows its dominance and goes up. It's currently 53.5%. So what I'm looking at is I've drawn this downward trend with the red line. I think Bitcoin dominance wants to go up to this red line, which would be 56.5%. And then we have the major altcoin season. I think Bitcoin dominance could easily drop below this green line at any time, and that to me is confirmation. We're going to have like an 18-month alt season, okay? I'm not talking a 1 month alt season. I'm talking an 18-month alt season. So this is one to watch closely. I do think it wants to go up to the red line, and then we come down. So yeah, guys, if you've got spare money in the bank or under the bed, wherever, I think this is a great opportunity to be buying crypto. Don't consider this financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I think the narrative is also AI coins for this current cycle. Render, Injective, GRT, Ocean. I think they're all fantastic buys. I'm a little bit skeptical on ICP because I've been in the market long enough to know ICP brings hopium to people at random times when it pumps, and then it just dumps. So I'm not a big fan of ICP. I won't be buying this pump. I think gaming tokens might come back and explode again. They were the narrative last cycle, and I do think gaming is still a massive industry, so I expect gaming tokens to do well. If you want my pick for a 100x gem right now to the end of 2025, I'm going to go with Eartha, ERTHA. Okay, it's a little metaverse project that's been out for a long time, and they were at around 38 cents last bull market, and now they're like a fifth of a cent. So in my opinion, it can easily do a 100x, maybe a lot more. So that's one I've bought into, and I just plan on holding it till late 2025, regardless of dips and the price action it involves. I do consider it the 100x gem. Okay, and yeah, I'm gonna leave it as that, short and sweet. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment on what your thoughts are on the market, because I am extremely bullish. Extremely. Alright, Skrill OG out. Peace.